Hey everyone, welcome back to Thakur Academy, the place where learning is simple, fun, and practical. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tech tutorials. In previous video, we made our first program of Hello World in Python series. Today, we are diving into the print statement starting with the question, what is print in Python? So we made our previous program. Let's open it. Here I have written print hello world. Now create new file as you want. Whichever name you can write, you can select it. The print function is used to display output in Python. You can print string, numbers, variables, and much anything. Let's see examples. Print Python is awesome. Here, print is the function and statement written under double quotes. I have marked it is known as string. Nextly, print 42. This is a number. Python also have the ability to print a number, and the output that we get is Python is awesome 42 and 3.14, the things we have written under double quotes. Now create new file. Till here we have seen Python is printing the things we have written under double quotes. Now till here we have seen single statements. Let's move further, printing multiple items under a statement. You can print multiple items by separating them with commas. Print the result is 10 plus 5. Here we get the output 15. The summation of these two numbers 10 plus 5. Next, let's separate multiple items. Print, we write print Python, comma, Java, comma, C++. As I have told, you can write anything under double quotes that will be treated as a string. So we are writing print loading print done. I hope till here you get the clear review about what print function does. Now moving further with the errors part. Common errors that found in Python. First error is wrong print name mentioned. Capitalized print written any of the following will provide an error. Print all written in upper cases or separating them with the first capital one. Neither will work as Python work as an proper syntax. Another errors we are available with missing parentheses. Let's understand problem. I have written here print like missing quotes and parentheses. This will generate a error. Another is print double quotes hello. I have missed here parentheses. Similarly, this also provide an error. Python work as a case sensitive language, therefore generate the required error. The correct manner of writing the print function is print parenthesis open double quotes under it the variable name string anything you want to mention double quotes close parenthesis close. This is the correct manner. This will provide us with the output hello. Nextly we cover here is comments in Python. Comments are lines in your code that program ignore. They are meant for developer to read and understand the code better. They tell us about the description part of the code. Single line comment. This is single line comment. Here the syntax for the single line comment is hash. Whenever and wherever you put hash in the code, the thing written next to that will become a comment. Next we mention here single line comment example. Print double quotes hello comma world. This comment is next to a line of a code is being ignored. Here we can write any description about the code. Similarly, for giving a brief description about anything, we use multi-line comment. Python does not have a built-in multi-line comment like some another languages, but we can use triple quotes like this to make multi-line comment. Here I am using it triple quotes. This is triple single quotes, writing single quotes 3 times. This is multi-line comment. It's not technically a comment, but it works like one. Use comment to explain why you are doing something. Comments help in maintaining the code for easier understanding. The next thing we are available with is variable in Python. Let's talk about variables. A variable is like a container. It stores data that your program can use and manipulate. Declaring a variable, I'm using here name. I'm writing name equals to double quotes. Anything you want to write. I'm writing here Thakur Academy. Here name as a variable. I'm commenting it, providing the description about it. Next, I'm writing age. I'm making age equals to, I'm writing here 25. Python will take age as a variable. Now, next is height. Height equals to 5.8. Here, height as a variable. Variable are simply a box that used to store data or information about anything. You don't need to declare the type of a variable in Python. Python figure it out based on the value you assign. As I mentioned here, string, integer, also the float one. Now create new file. Rules for variable name. There are some rules that's been followed in order to declare the correct variable name. The rules are must start with a letter or underscore. Next can include letters, numbers, and underscores. Some examples of variable names are as mentioned. This is a variable name. Another rule for the declaring a variable is we cannot start any variable name with a number. The most interesting part about variable is variables are case sensitive. Python treats variable as a case sensitive one. Let's have a look. Here I have written username, user in lower cases, treating username as a variable, making another variable username, capitalizing U as well as N under double quotes, academy. Python will treat this as different variable. I hope you have a clear understanding about the variable part. These are the fundamentals that every Python programmer needs to know. In our next video, we all dive deeper to these topics and analyze them more in depth. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep shaping yourself. Happy coding.